Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Stitch from Lilo Stitch. So let's start drawing. Draw a triangular shape for the nose. With two small half circles at the bottom. Draw a tiny line coming down from the nose, then a long wavy line under it, with a small curve at each end to make the smiley mouth. Draw a long triangular shape with rounded corners for the eye. And another smaller one inside, with one pointed corner. Then color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a couple of curved lines coming out from the top of each eye towards the center, leaving a space in the middle. Draw 3 strands of hair in this space. Draw a line coming down from the side of each eye, meeting in the middle to finish the face outline. Draw 2 lines coming out from the side of the face, making the shape of a letter V. Then draw another letter V inside, meeting each other at the tip. Then draw half an oval shape to complete the ear, making a small letter V at the bottom. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other ear. Draw 2 upside-down letter U right under the face, one on each side to make the shoulders. Then extend 2 curved lines from each shoulder to make the arm. Draw 4 fingers at the end of each arm to make the hand. Draw a small curved oval shape on the tip of each finger to make the fingernails. Connect the two thumbs together to make the bottom part of the body. Draw two curved lines attached to each other, coming out from the outer side of the arm. Then draw a curved line coming out from the side of the hand, going up and ending with a few bumps for the toe. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other leg. Draw half an oval shape on each toe to make the toenails. Make a circle on each foot. Draw a few strands of hair on the chest part. Make a few lines to decorate Stitch above the nose, one under each eye, one under the mouth, one on the chest part, and one on each foot. Well done! Now you can draw Stitch. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.